Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify DHCP reservations for smart devices. Complete. To verify DHCP reservations for smart devices, begin by accessing your router's web interface. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Enter the IP address of your router into the address bar. Log in using your router's admin credentials. Once logged in, locate the DHCP settings section, which may be labeled as LAN or network. Look for an option specifically for DHCP reservations or static leases. Take note of the list of devices that have existing DHCP reservations. Identify the smart device you wish to verify. Check the assigned IP address and MAC address for that device. Next, confirm that the smart device is powered on and connected to the network. Access the smart device's settings if possible and find its network information. Verify the IP address displayed on the smart device. Compare the displayed IP address with the reservation noted earlier. If they match, the reservation is correctly configured. If they don't match, consider releasing and renewing the device's IP address. This can be done by restarting the smart device or the router. Return to the router's interface to review for any changes in the DHCP reservations list. Ensure no conflicting IP addresses exist that could interfere with the reservation. Once verified, test the smart device functionality to ensure it operates correctly on the network. If issues persist, consider checking the router firmware and updating if necessary. Revisit your DHCP settings to adjust reservations as needed. Document any changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.